PractiMan Plus is the ideal equipment for basic CPR training with electronic feedback that meets the current requirements of the market. It has several advantages that set it apart. A wireless monitor which clearly shows training feedback. A 2-in-1 function that allows you to perform CPR on both adult and child mode with a single mannequin. Compression feedback, including rate, depth and chest recoil parameters. You can train in standard mode or in blind mode, where you won't receive feedback in real time. Full results are provided once the training session is finished. Results are shown in real time in an intuitive format, so trainees can easily see their own progress. Compression feedback includes rate, depth and chest recoil, provided via an easy-to-use system of lights. The rate indicator shows if the rhythm used in training is too fast or slow. Depth and recoil must both be performed correctly at the same time for the green light to turn on. 10 seconds after the training session ends, the monitor shows the final results in the column on the right, together with feedback on the rate, depth and chest recoil. Blind mode enables training without the light indicators. Just as in standard mode, after 10 seconds, the final results are shown. This is very useful in helping instructors make accurate assessments. PractiMan Plus electronic CPR training also offers all the advantages of the PractiMan product range, such as a real breathing system connecting the nose, mouth and lung, jaw thrust, compact size and low weight, and head locking clips. PractiMan Plus can be purchased as a single pack or in packs of 4, ideal for CPR training events. PractiMan Plus. Training people to save lives.